So guys, to change DNS for both IPv4 and IPv6, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then first, you're going to be going with Internet Protocol version 4. You're going to double click on this. And then once you're on this, you're going to select use the following DNS server address. And now you can just type in your DNS. So you're going to type in the numbers. And then if you want to go to the next box, you just want to put a space on your keyboard. So like numbers, space, just like that. And then do it for the last one as well. So let's say that I wanted to do Google's DNS. I'll be typing in 8 space 8 space 8 space 8. And then for the secondary, it's going to be 8 space 8 space 4.4. And then click on OK. That's how you do it for IPv4. And now for IPv6, you just want to double click on it. It's the same concept, so just click on use the following DNS server address. And you can just type in here. But the numbers and letters are going to be much longer. And then click on OK. You could also click on the validate settings upon exit, just to make sure that everything's gone through and you typed in the correct DNS server address, and then click on OK. And then you should be good to go.